Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to today's science experiment. We're going to be looking at viscosity today, and that is about how fast or slow a liquid will move along a surface. So, I've got 4 different types of liquid today. I've got water, shampoo, oil, and hand soap. We're going to be putting it on our tray to see which one moves fastest. Now, viscosity is about the pressure or resistance against the liquid. The higher the resistance, the slower the liquid will go. The less resistance there is, the faster the liquid will flow. So, at home, if you don't have a dropper or a medicine dropper, I'm going to show you how you can use your finger to get the liquid off into a drop. Okay, on my tray you will see I have got A, B, C, and D to show how each of them go down the tray. I've just done it on some baking paper, but you can use a plastic tray or a clipboard or something similar. Okay, so I have my water here, my shampoo, my oil, and my soap. I hope you can see the tray clearly enough to see how the liquid is going to flow. So I'm going to start with water. I'm going to get my dropper and I'm going to get a little bit in there. I'm going to put it on A. I'm just going to drop one drop down. As you can see here, it's going down. I'll point in case you can't see. Still going. It's really good on the baking paper because the drop seems to stay together. All right, so let's have a look at the next one. We're going to look at shampoo. I'm really lucky in this container. It actually has a drop when I squeeze it. So you might have something similar at home. Just dropped a drop there. It's a bit tricky to see on the video, but the liquid is still up here. The water is down there. So thinking about how slowly that's moving, thinking about the resistance or the level of viscosity that this liquid has. The water's already at the bottom and the shampoo is still all the way up there. Now, we're going to do the oil next. I'm actually just going to use my finger today. Oil's a little bit better, but have a look. When I stick my finger in there, I can actually get drops. I'll show you again. There we go. So I'm going to use my finger on C. And I've just dropped it there. You see it running down here? So a little bit faster than the shampoo, but not as fast as the water. I'll just clean that little bit up. And the last one, the soap, I'm actually going to use my finger again, but it's really thick. So look how long it takes me to get a drop off there. I'm going to do the same thing. Try and get it so there's only one drop coming off. Takes a little bit longer. There we go. It's very slowly moving down there. It's barely even moved. All right, the shampoo is over here. The water's at the bottom. Thinking about how those liquids have moved down the tray, remember what I said. The higher the viscosity, the higher the resistance, the slower the liquid will go. So thinking about these 4 liquids, which one has the highest viscosity? Or which one is moving the slowest? And which one has the least viscosity? Which one moved the fastest? You need to complete the pro recording sheet with this one. You needed to do the predict and the reason before the experiment. And now that you've seen the experiment, and now you know a little bit more about viscosity, you can then complete the last 2. The observe, what did you see? And explain, why do you think the liquid has got the least or the most viscosity? All right, I hope that you've enjoyed this little lesson or have a go of it at home yourself. Okay, bye.